Hello everyone, what is Instagram shopping activity? Instagram had a new update for all Instagram users. First, make sure you update your Instagram app. So shopping activity on Instagram refers to the process of browsing and purchasing products directly on the platform. Instagram shopping feature allows businesses to set up a product catalog on their Instagram profile and tag products in their posts and stories. This allows users to easily discover products and make purchases without leaving the app. Users can tap on a tagged product to see more information about it, such as price and product details, and can then proceed to purchase the product directly through the app. Instagram's shopping feature has become increasingly popular among businesses and consumers, as it provides a convenient and seamless way to shop online. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.